coming up on an accident that I've been warned about the last 30 miles. Let's see how bad it is. Get closer.
Hades.
There's a rest area right there. Could have pulled in. I only got 4 more hours today. Only started with 8. And let's see. Let's see how this goes. They got a news team over there filming something. Don't know. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. And in those 20 minutes, I did maybe 3 or 4 miles. So this is starting to suck. Put up on something. This might just be construction. Nothing to do with the accident. Oh shit. There's the accident. We got hazmat here. Wow. Pick up the pace now. Only got slowed down about 30 minutes overall. Shit. I got slowed down over an hour in El Paso yesterday, so that wasn't too bad. Hope everyone survived. Okay, coming westbound on the 10. Gonna drive through about 80 miles of fucking Phoenix. I dislike Phoenix. Don't like it.
Ahead, take exit 203 and then merge right on North Black Canyon Highway.
No.
Take exit 203 and then merge right on North Black Canyon Highway.
No.
Merge right on North Black Canyon Highway.
No.
Then keep left.
Shut the fuck up. We're on the 17 now. What is this shit? God. This is probably construction. Hit so much construction already in the last 40 miles. I don't know. Maybe another accident. That flatbed up there came flying by me like 20 minutes ago. There he is now. 10 seconds ahead of me. This guy right here. Here's what it was.
3 miles ahead.
Here's
Left
what it
on
was.
East Bloody Bay.
Here's what it was. Everyone's trying to pass these fuckers.